Hi guys, so welcome back here at DEC Engineering Tutorial. So ngayon, ituro ko yung case 3 ng differential equation. So sa mga previous na video, no, yung past two videos, so yung so far yung na-discuss natin at nabigyan natin ng example itong case 1 which is the separable variable. So ito yung magiging form niya. Ito naman yung magiging solution equation niya, no? Yung case 2 naman, na-discuss din natin yan and we have also solve an example, no, under linear differential equation. So ito yung magiging form niya, then ito yung solution equation. Ngayon, discuss natin itong case 3, no, the Bernoulli's differential equation. So alam natin or malalaman natin na under to or itong given na differential equation is under case 3, the Bernoulli's differential equation, if we can get, no, itong form na to or ganito yung itsura. Okay? dy over dx or y prime plus function of xy. Okay? Halos the same siya sa ano, no? Yung linear. Then equal nung g of x. Linear talaga yan, ha? Pag ganyan. Pero pag may additional siyang y to the power of n, Bernoulli yan. Okay? Klaro? Pag may kasama siyang y to the power of n. So, yung linear is walang y over n, ha? Nakikita mo, balikan natin, ha? Ito yan, diba? Pag may y over n yan, Bernoulli yan. Okay? So, yun lang naman, ha? Yung tatandaan natin dito para di tayo nalilito, no? Sa case 2 tsaka case 3. So, pag ganito yung itsura, yung magiging solution equation is ganito, no? So, medyo mahaba lang. Yung v dyan, no? Equal nung y raised to the power of 1 minus n. Okay? So, kumbaga, meron kang v, e raised to the power of 1 minus n integration of function of x dx is equal to 1 minus n integration of g of x e to the 1 minus n integration of function of x dx plus c. So, ganun lang yung magiging solution equation. So, medyo mahaba yung solution equation pero yung the way kung paano siya i-apply, madali lang naman, no? Kasi magsa-substitute ka lang ng mga values and then with your knowledge in integral tsaka differential calculus, so parang madali na lang to sa inyo. Okay? So medyo mahirap pag di mo alam kung paano mag-integrate, di mo alam paano mag-differentiate, no? Mahihirapan ka talaga. Okay? So kaya dapat minamaster muna yung dalawa, no? Before ka mapunta dito. Okay? Sige. So let's have an example, no, para makita natin kung paano i-apply itong Bernoulli's differential equation. Okay. So, ito yung problem, no? So, solve the differential equation dy over dx plus 1 over x, y. And then we have equal to x, then y cubed, no? So, very obvious na yung ito, kasi meron tayong dy over dx plus ito yung function of x, ito yung y, is equal, ito yung g of x, then ito yung y, ito yung n. So, Bernoulli's differential equation to, no? Kasi pasok na pasok dun sa form ng Bernoulli. Okay? So, pag ganito yung magiging itsura, no, under siya sa case 3, so walang ibang solution kundi ganito, no? So, kumbaga, kunin muna natin yung v, no? So, that is y raised to the power of 1 minus n. We know n, kasi yung n dito sa form, andito yan sa yn, so meaning yung n is 3. No? Kaya meron tayong 1 minus 3, or that is y to the negative 2. No? Klaro? Okay. Sige. So, ngayon, lagay natin yung buong solution equations. Then, we just need to substitute yung value ng v, yung value ng n, tsaka yung function of x, tsaka itong g of x. So, sinubstitute ko yan. So, I have y to the negative 2. Ito yung v na na-solve natin. And then, we have e raised to the power of 1 minus n. N is 3. Integration of dx over x. And then, this is equal to 1 minus 3 integration of g of x is itong x lang. Okay? Kasi y n to. So, g of x to x. So, we have x, e, raised to the power of, parang ito lang, kopyahin mo lang, na. Okay? Yung may e na portion sa left side, kopyahin mo sa right side. So kumbaga that is e raised to the power of 1 minus 3 integration of dx over x. Then we have dx plus c. Okay, pwede natin i-simplify ito para medyo hindi na magulo. So, we have y to the power of negative 2, e to the negative 2 integration of dx over x, which is ln x. And then this is equal to negative 2 integration of x, e to the negative 2 integration of dx over x, dx plus c. So, we know that integration of dx over x, integration of dx over x is ln x. So we have y to the negative 2, e to the negative 2 ln x. And then we know by property nung parabola, property ng natural logarithm. Pag ganito, pwede nating iakyat yung constant side sa left portion ng logarithm. Okay, anyway, before that, so we have negative 2 integration of x, e to the negative 2 ln x dx plus c. So, magiging ano yan, y to the negative 2, e to the negative 2 ln x is equal to negative 2 integration of x, e to the negative 2 ln x dx plus c. Okay, parang bago. Okay. So, ito yung sinabi ko, no? Na itong constant side, pwede mong gawing exponent ng x. Okay? Property na yan din ng logarithm. Again, if you're not familiar with the property ng logarithm, you can check yung sa playlist under sa mathematics. No? May lecture ako doon with regards sa mga exponents and logarithm. Okay. So we have equal to the negative 2 integration of x, e to the raised to the power of ln x negative 2 dx plus c. So again, property nung itong logarithm, no? Pag nakabis e, cancel out yan. So magiging ano yan, no? Y to the negative 2, x to the negative 2 is equal to the negative 2 integration of x, x to the negative 2 dx plus c. No? So, one property din nung exponent, pag the same base, no, yung gagawin lang sa mga exponents, ay i-add natin. So, magiging ano yan, ha? So, y to the negative 2, x to the negative 2 is equal sa negative 2 integration, kasi 1 man to, no? Di lang natin nilagay, no? Pero naka-raise to power of 1 yan. So, 1 minus 2, that is negative 1. And then, we have dx plus c. So, ngayon, pwede natin i-rewrite yan as ganito, no? Like, we have y to the negative 2, x to the negative 2 is equal to the negative 2 integration, kasi x to the negative 1 that is reciprocal, no? So, kumbaga, it can be written as 1 over x, no? Kasi pag iakyat mo yung x sa numerator, magiging x to the negative 1. Okay, so, kumbaga, this is negative 2 ln of x. Okay? So, we have y to the negative 2, x to the negative 2 is equal to the negative 2 ln x plus c. And yan na yung sagot. Okay? So, ganun lang naman, no? Yung case 3 ng Bernoulli's differential equation. Okay, so thank you, no? For your attention. So, I hope you like this video, no? So, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and you can also join, no? Yung mga membership program natin where I teach yung mga advanced tricks, no, or solution, especially calculator techniques and mga past board examination. Okay. So anyway, yun lang, no. So we can also yun. So see you in the next video. Thank you.